Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to empower patients to self-serve with Jotform apps. This is a fantastic way to give your patients more control over their healthcare experience while reducing the administrative burden on your staff. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. This will take you to your Jotform dashboard where you can manage all your forms and apps. Now, look towards the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on it to open up the creation menu. This is where you'll be able to start building your patient self-service app from scratch or use one of Jotform's pre-made templates. From the options that appear, click on App, then select Use Template. This approach saves you a significant amount of time since you won't need to build everything from the ground up. Instead, you'll be working with a professionally designed template that you can customize to fit your specific needs. In the search field at the top, type healthcare and give it a few seconds to load all the available healthcare-related templates. You'll see several options tailored for medical practices, patient intake, appointment scheduling, and more. Browse through these templates and choose the one that best matches what you're trying to achieve for your patients. Once you've found the right template, click Use Template to proceed. The system will take a few moments to load the template into your workspace. Be patient while this happens, as it's preparing all the elements and structure of your app. Once it's fully loaded, you'll see the complete template layout on your screen. Now it's time to customize your app. Click on Add Element to insert additional components like videos or any other element you want to include. This feature allows you to enhance the patient experience by adding instructional videos, educational content, or interactive features that help patients navigate your services more effectively. After adding your element, click on the gear icon, which represents the Properties panel. Under the General tab, you'll find a URL field where you can paste your URL code. This is particularly useful if you're embedding video content or linking to external resources that your patients need to access. One of the best parts about Jotform is how easily you can personalize every aspect of your app. You can edit every section that appears in your template by simply clicking on each section. When you do this, a customization panel will appear on the right side of the screen, giving you full control over colors, text, layout, and functionality. Take your time here to make sure everything aligns with your practice's branding and your patient's needs. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click the Preview Form button to verify that everything looks and functions as intended. This step is crucial because it allows you to experience the app from your patient's perspective before going live. And that's it. You've successfully created a self-service app that empowers your patients to access healthcare information and services on their own terms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.